Dictionary skills, the collocation dictionary. In part 1 of this video series, it was explained what a dictionary is, what types of part of speech exist, and what type of information can be found in such a dictionary in terms of part of speech and other relevant terms. In this part 2 of this video series, it is explained what a thesaurus is and what a collocation dictionary is. By the end of this video, you will have learned how to use a collocation dictionary. What is a collocation? Let's take a look at a definition. Let's compare definitions of various dictionaries. Here we go. According to Oxford Dictionary, a collocation is an habitual juxtaposition of a particular word with another word, or words with a frequency greater than chance. And please note that a juxtaposition is the fact of putting things that are not similar next to each other, according to Cambridge Online Dictionary. According to Merriam-Webster, it is the act or result of placing or arranging together. If we look at Macmillan Dictionary, we see that it's defined as the fact that words collocate with others. So as you can see, dictionaries aren't always very clear. Perhaps the clearest definition is offered by Cambridge Online Dictionary, which defines a collocation as a word or phrase that is often used with another word or phrase in a way that sounds correct to people who have spoken the language all their lives, but might not be expected from the meaning. And the example that they give is in the phrase hard frost. Hard is a collocation of frost, and strong would not sound very natural. Alright, so what we can conclude from this query is that a collocation is a chunk of language that often has a figurative meaning rather than a literal one. Alright, so say that you'd like to look up a word that collocates with other words. So how do you go about that? Well, there are 2 dictionaries that you could use, and let's start with the first one. The word we're looking up is the word good. Here we go. Alright, so in osdic.com we see here that good is an adjective which goes together with verbs, adverbs, and specific prepositions. Besides using osdic.com, we can also turn to online Oxford Collocation Dictionary, and we'll see that this is a little bit more comprehensive compared to osdic.com, meaning that it contains more information. Here we see that good is an adjective which collocates with verbs, adverbs, and prepositions, like we've seen in osdic.com, but we also see here that good is also a noun which collocates with adjectives, verbs with good, prepositions, but also is included in phrases. Alright, so what you can do now is at any time when you want to look up something yourself is just starting out with one of these 2 dictionaries and perhaps contrasting that to, let's say, the Cambridge Online Dictionary. In this video, you've learned what a collocation is, how to look up the word collocation in regular dictionaries, and how to go about looking up collocations yourself. If this video was useful for you, please like it and subscribe to my channel. You've now reached the end of this support series. Please let us know if it was actually useful for you, and see you next time. Bye.